This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming two essentials: the same Apple ID and network. Once done, make sure both devices are updated to the latest iOS so compatibility isn't an issue. Next, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on iPhone and iPad and connect them to the same Wi-Fi network. Now open Settings on each device. This is where we toggle the continuity features that let the devices talk to each other. Don't skip enabling iCloud and iCloud Drive before moving on. Once both devices are prepared, go step by step through settings to enable the features you want. Open General, choose AirPlay and Handoff, and turn on Handoff plus any keyboard or mouse handoff options so app activity moves seamlessly. Then open Phone on your iPhone and allow calls on other devices so your iPad can place and receive calls. Finally, confirm Messages and FaceTime are signed into the same Apple ID to sync conversations. This lets universal clipboard and continuity. Now test the setup. Copy text on your iPhone and paste on the iPad, open a Safari tab and continue on the other device, send a file via AirDrop and place a call to verify routing. If something doesn't work, first restart both devices and toggle handoff off and on. Make sure both still use the same Apple ID. One key troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, sign out of iCloud on both devices, reset network settings, then sign back in to re-establish a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.